Jopiny mabedo kod gwenyruok e kindgi giwegi koro ijiwo mondo mi omany yore mopogore makelo thegruok e kindgi ma ok ringo ka gidhi e doho. Kane oloso Mombasa e nyasi mar kawo pach jopiny ewi weche mag doho, jang'ad bura mar doho mamalo Justice Njoki Ndung'u nokoni moko kuom buche michwalo e doho gin mago minyalo losi kendo rumo maonge dhi e doho. Olero ni chenro mag doho samoro kawo kinde malach kod omuom makore lach, gino mathoro hinyo jogo maonge kod nyalo mag chulo okil kod omenda mamoko midwaro e doho.
Only 10% of disputes in Kenya reach the courts. So it's only 10% of the disputes where you have judges, lawyers. The rest of the disputes, they are settled out in the communities. And we want to encourage and to teach more and more Kenyans to be able to settle their disputes outside rather than inside the formal structures. And therefore, we continue very much to encourage alternative justice systems, traditional systems, and we will support as the judiciary those systems so that most of the disputes can be settled before they come into court and into the legal system. The legal system can be quite expensive for the common mwananchi. By the time you pay an advocate, by the time you pay court fees, and yet some of these disputes, we can settle them kinyumbani, so long as we respect human rights and we uphold justice. So we want to make the judiciary responsive to wananchi's needs. We want to make the judiciary accessible to wananchi. And most importantly, we need to reflect in our country, our national values, and to see whether indeed we are providing the wananchi with a